Hello everyone, this is Christy. I have reached 60,000 subscribers. Yay! Woohoo! And I want to thank you all from the bottom of my heart for your support and for watching and sharing my videos. And I'm making a giveaway and give some prizes. There are 3 prizes for US only and 2 prizes for international only. Please watch the entire video to see the rules and how to enter to the giveaway. For the first prize, I'm giving away some dice. These are from Dollar Tree and they are not available at the stores at this time. Then some stamp sets. You can use them for scrapbooking, for mini albums, for card making, journaling, and even for making embellishments. Some of my favorite tools, and these ones are for everyday craft, and you can use them for paper crafts or for vinyls. And 3 12x12 paper pads. For the prize number 2, I'm giving away one of these Sizzix Sidekick die cutting machine. And I'll show you mine so you can see what it has inside. It has this embossing folder, it has 3 plates, 2 for cutting, 1 for embossing. It has this set of dies. And it has a set of stamps and this little machine. And I'm going to add some dies that fit in the slot. 1 for making a rose, 1 butterfly, and some greetings. For the prize number 3, I have a sponsor and it's HTV Ront. This company sells vinyls and heat presses like this mini heat press, then this one that is 10 inches by 10 inches heat press, and also this auto heat press that is the new addition to this company. And they are supporting my giveaway with this big prize. One 10 by 10 heat press in mint green color. 20 sheets of HTV in assorted colors. 2 rolls of HTV, one in black and the other one in white. And 3 Teflon sheets. And I have 2 prizes for my international subscribers, and it's going to be $30 via PayPal for each one. This giveaway is open now and it's going to be closed on November 23rd. And the winners will be announced on November 24th, which is Thanksgiving Day. And these are the rules of the giveaway. You must be 18 years old or older. You must be a subscriber of my YouTube channel. You must be a subscriber of any of my other social media. I'm going to leave the links in the description box. You can choose any one of them and subscribe or follow me. And you must subscribe to HTV Ront YouTube channel. All the links are going to be in the description box and all the details of these rules. And this is how to enter. You must make a comment naming your country so I can see if you live in the US or you are international. And you must mention my other social media where you subscribe to so I can go to verify, and I will also verify if you subscribe to HTV Ront. Those are the rules, and if you want to enter, you have to follow all the directions. I'm very excited for this giveaway and I hope you give a try and to have the chance to win one of these prizes. And thank you very much for subscribing to my channel. If you are new, you can enter to the giveaway if you just subscribe and follow all the rules. Thank you very much for watching my videos, for your support, your comments, your likes, for sharing my videos. And I send you all my love for that. Have a blessed day, everyone. Bye bye.